Guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so incredibly excited about this video today because I'm going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions of the Saint Laurent TRI-QUILT envelope bag in large. I am so excited. I've wanted this bag for so long, you guys, and I have to tell you, I waited months to get this bag and I put a lot of research into it to the point where it was a little excessive. I actually made a spreadsheet for myself and I had all the different stores and the prices and the different deals they were offering. For example, if you shop at Neiman Marcus or if you shop at Saks Fifth Avenue, places like that, occasionally for a couple days span, they'll have deals where if you make a purchase, you get a gift card. So a lot of times I like to take advantage of that. I also like to take advantage of Ebates as well, and I'll be sure to leave a link to Ebates. You guys, I shop a lot online. So I use Ebates because a lot of times they'll have like a percentage off. Saks Fifth Avenue was having 10% off. So I took that into account as well. I took into the Ebates cashback. I took into like the gift card. And I really put a lot of thought into that. So anyway, I'm going to give you a little bit of a backstory. So if you don't want to hear the backstory, then I would recommend fast forwarding through this video. I do want to give you kind of a background on it so you know where I was coming from. So I wear a lot of black to work, and then on the weekends I do as well. I just usually gravitate towards black handbags because I feel like they're really chic. I feel like you can wear them during the day. I feel you can wear them at night. You can dress them up, you can dress them down, and I feel like they match with pretty much everything. So a lot of the handbags I've purchased have been black, and this one is no different. But I have to tell you, I was torn between two bags and I analyzed both of them. I tried to watch videos, which I didn't really see a ton of YouTube videos on these two bags, but I was really trying to figure out what I wanted. So I was torn between this bag and the Saint Laurent college bag. Now they were very, very similar, but a lot of the reviews I did see on the college bag or college bag is the leather was a little more delicate, and the one that I did end up going with, the TRI-QUILT envelope, it's a very, very sturdy leather. It's very durable. So I thought to myself, well, if I am going to use this as an everyday bag, I want a bag that's going to kind of keep its shape and it's not going to get scratched easily. And some people were saying that with the Saint Laurent college bag, when they bought it, it would kind of lose its shape over time, and this one I've heard nothing but good things. So first off, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button, and if you want to see me unbox this bag and my first impressions, then keep watching. Okay guys, so let me tell you, so I had to wait for this bag because I wanted it in the silver mirrored hardware, and everywhere I looked they had it in the gold, and the reason I didn't want it in the gold is because mostly everything I wear is silver, and then in addition I do have another YSL camera bag with the gold hardware, so I wanted something a little different. I didn't want it to look just like something I had purchased before. Now, I did a video recently on luxury items that I never use, so you might remember me mentioning a little Chanel card holder, so I did end up selling that on eBay. So I took the money from that and I put it in a pot towards this, and that's kind of what I've been trying to tell myself. If I want a new bag, then I try to look at the things I have and I say, am I really using that? Do I really, really want that? And if not, I'll usually sell it so I can buy something else. Obviously, these types of bags are an investment, so you want to make sure that you have saved the money. You don't want to just go out and make this kind of purchase. So I did put quite a lot of thought into it, so I'm super, super excited. Okay, so I ended up purchasing the bag from Saks Fifth Avenue because they had 10% back on Ebates, and then in addition they had a gift card event where if you spent a certain amount of money you ended up getting a gift card. So I did get a gift card, and then I did make a purchase with that gift card, so I will show you what I got at the end of the video. I'm super excited about that as well. So I basically ended up getting that for free, which is something that I wanted anyway. Okay guys, so let's get right into the unboxing. I know I've done a lot of blabbering. Actually, we're at about 5 minutes into the video, but I did want to give you a backstory just to let you know that I did a lot of research and I was torn between the two bags. So again, I got it from Saks Fifth Avenue. Now it took a couple weeks because this was a pre-order and it wasn't actually supposed to come until March, but it did arrive, I would say, about a week ago. And you guys, I haven't even opened it yet. It's still in the box because I wanted to open it with you, and I I actually went on a Valentine's date last night with my husband. I wanted to wear it, but I was like, no, not until I do a video, because I want my emotions to be raw when I do this video so we can kind of unbox it together. So here we go. All right, so it came with the receipt, which I know I've mentioned this before. I always hang on to the receipts. I hang on to all the authenticity cards, because if you ever do want to resell the bag, you can prove that the bag is authentic. Okay, so it comes with this Saint Laurent dust bag, and I definitely hang on to the dust bags, especially if I travel anywhere. That's what I use. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Goodness, you guys, this is what it looks like right here. It is so beautiful. It's not like anything I have. And hold on, let me take some of the wrapping off. This is what it looks like right here, and as you can see, it has this TRI-QUILT, which I love so much. This is what attracted me to the bag, because I had never seen anything like that. It has the YSL logo, which is in more of a mirrored hardware. I thought it would just be silver, but it's kind of more of a mirrored hardware. And like I said, they had it in the gold as well, but because I already had the YSL camera bag in the gold, I opted for this. Plus, I just thought this looks so beautiful and chic. This is a classic leather bag. It's really, really durable, and like I said, when I read a lot of the reviews on it, people who have had it for months and who have done updates on it, which I will do an update. I was thinking of doing, like, wearing it for a couple months and doing an update, but people said that it doesn't really scratch easy, and as you can see, it like just looks like it really holds its shape. So this is a shoulder bag, and the thing I like about this bag is you can wear it as a shoulder bag, or you can also wear it as a crossbody, and you guys know how much I love crossbody bags. Those are definitely my favorite bags. Now you guys, I have to say, one of the reasons that I went with this TRI-QUILT bag as opposed to the college bag is I know the college bag, and again, it's either, I think it's college, people call it college, so let me just call it college bag. The college bag was very similar to my Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis, which I have to say, I love that bag so much and I use it every day, but I wanted something a little, just a little different, and I didn't want to invest the money in something that was too similar to what I have. Okay, so as I was saying, this bag you can wear either crossbody or you can wear it as a shoulder bag, and you see that right there. And the thing I really like is you can adjust it like this and wear it as a crossbody, or you can wear it as a shoulder, and I just love that. So let me show you what it looks like as like a shoulder bag right here. And then like I said, you can also, and I love that sound, and then you can wear it kind of as like a crossbody bag. It's kind of hard to see. So as you can see, it's got the silver mirrored hardware, which is really hard to find, believe it or not, and it has a magnetic closure like this. And one thing that I really like is it has this flat pocket back here, so that's where I'm going to keep my cell phone. I have found that with a lot of my handbags, I love it to have that back flap, because you can put, you know, just like a thin wallet back there, you can put a phone back there, just things that you're going to be accessing constantly throughout the day. And you know, if you're anything like me, you know, you're texting back and forth with people, so it's just easy to have your phone in a back compartment like this. But I was so attracted to this quilt of the bag. I just thought it looked so beautiful. Now they do make another version of this bag without the TRI-QUILT. It has just this print right here, the chevron print, but I just thought this added something extra, and it was so incredibly beautiful. Okay, so I did write the dimensions down so you can get a good idea of what it looks like. It is 12.25 inches in width, 8.75 inches in height. It is 3 inches in depth right here. So you can see there's quite a bit of depth. And again, for a bag that I could wear to work and a bag that I could wear on the weekends. But another thing I loved about this is I have not really seen many people wear this bag at all. It's very unique, so I was so excited to get my hands on it. And like I said, it has that pebble leather. It's very durable, so I'm super excited. But let me show you what the inside looks like. Again, it has the snap closure. Okay, you open it up and there is quite a bit of space in there, and then there is a zip compartment on the inside, and it says Saint Laurent Paris. I love how much space there is, and later on, like I said, what I can do if you guys want, I can do a what's in my bag, and then I can do a couple month update for you as well. Now, in doing a comparison between the college bag, I know that there were 2 compartments on the inside, and it also had this. Like I said, you guys, I went back and forth. Like, one day I thought I was going to buy the college bag, and then I was like, no, because I kept thinking about this one. I do feel as though the college bag might have been a little more practical, but this is the bag I wanted to start, and I was afraid if I invested in the college bag that I would have just been thinking about this one. And like I said, it might not be quite as practical, and it might be a little dressier, but I just love it so much, and I'm so incredibly excited to wear it. So again, let me try it on again for you so you can see. Okay, so I am 5'3", and I'm probably going to wear it as a shoulder bag. It's so beautiful, you guys. I'm so incredibly excited. Wait, and I definitely, if you want me to, I'd be more than happy to give you guys an update. So like I said, and I would recommend, if you're looking on the hunt for a handbag like this, to really shop the websites. Take your time. This is an investment. It's not a bag you just want to pull the trigger on and just buy right away. So you might as well get the most bang for your buck. Look on eBay, look to see which stores are having the gift card events, and that's what I did. And speaking of the gift card event, because I spent a certain amount, I did get a gift card, so let me show you what I ended up getting. Okay, so I was on the hunt. It's only February, but with the spring, summer months coming up, I was on the hunt for a new pair of sunglasses, and I really wanted a new pair of aviators. So I don't have a pair of Saint Laurent sunglasses, and I saw these guys right here, which I'm about to show you, and I just thought they were so chic and beautiful. These are called the Saint Laurent Classic 59mm Pilot Glasses. So it comes with a little Saint Laurent case, and then it comes with just like a little cleaner. And these are what the sunglasses look like, so it might be kind of hard to see, but this is what I loved about them. So they're gold, and then they kind of have, it's like a greenish black tint, but it has this little gold YSL logo, which I thought was just so incredibly chic. So with the gift card, you guys, and I know you'll probably see the light in the glasses, with the gift card, I got these completely free. So because I waited to buy the bag during the event, I was able to get some sunglasses too, but I just thought these were so cute, and I didn't have anything like them. I do have aviators, but I never have had a pair of YSL sunglasses, so I'm super excited about it. So again, this is what the sunglasses look like. And yeah, so I basically got them free, which was awesome. Alright guys, so there you have it. This is the bag that I got. Again, it is the Saint Laurent large TRI-QUILT envelope bag. I'm so excited. If you guys are on the fence or anything and you have any questions about it all, make sure to leave it down below, and I'd be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see an update on how this bag has worn, you know, whether or not it gets any scratches, and if you want to see a what's in my bag to see how much I can fit in it, let me know, and I'd be more than happy to do that. Like I say, guys, if you guys work hard, you know, save your money, you can have whatever you want. And I don't feel, you know, a lot of people think, gosh, you know, it's crazy to spend that much on a handbag, you know, why are you going to do that? That's crazy. There are so many other things you can buy. But the way I look at it, and I know I've mentioned it before, is, you know, you save your money, you pay your bills, you make sure your family's taken care of, and if you want to treat yourself to something nice, there's nothing wrong with it. I've told you before, everyone has different likes in this world. For me, it just happens to be fashion and handbags and clothes, and I just really love handbags because I feel as though they last a really long time. And then in addition to that, I feel as though they're a really good investment piece too. So a couple years down the road, I can either pass them, you know, I can pass them down to my daughter, or if I have a bag in my collection I'm not really liking, you know, I can sell it. I can either sell it on eBay, I can sell it on Fashion File, you name it. And a lot of these bags appreciate in value, especially the Louis Vuitton bags. So you can actually end up selling them for more than what you purchase them for, especially if it's a bag that people really want. So I'm so excited about this bag. I'm so incredibly in love with it. I think it's just a beautiful bag, and it's a very nice classic piece that I'm so incredibly excited to add to my collection. Don't laugh, but I actually went to Home Depot with my husband today and we got a little shelf that I'm going to put above one of my mirrors in my closet, and I'm going to kind of put this up there on display, and I'm so excited about it. So anyway, if you guys want to see an updated beauty room tour, let me know and I'd be more than happy to do that as well. I have made a couple of updates since the last time I did a video, so make sure to hit that little subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and make sure to follow me on Instagram. As you know, Instagram is where I advertise all of my new videos, so I'd love to have you join me over there. Thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to watch. Have a wonderful day, and if you have any questions about this bag or anything at all, make sure to leave it down below, and I will see you in the next video.